Let me put you onto the best skin brightening body care set that works. If your skin is looking dull or uneven, this combo will change your glow game.
Come to the space.
Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Judith, your favorite skincare BFF. Today's video, we are going to be talking about the best skin brightening body care set for glowing skin. If your skin is looking all dull, uneven, unattractive, or you have different patches, or maybe your face is glowing and your body is not, girl, this combo I'm about to put you guys on is going to set your skin on fire in a good way. You will love the glow. This is a compliment getter. So if you're going to be using it, pair them together and watch how your skin is going to look all radiant and glowing. Now, the first step in this routine is pre-cleansing. And I recommend using this Asantee papaya or carrot soap as your pre-cleansing bar soap. So immediately you get into the shower, pour water on your body, lather the soap with your loofah, and then use it to wash all over your body. That's your first cleansing step. So endeavor to get this. Guys, this is a routine that works. It's very, very effective. The Asantee papaya soap is amazing. It's a body soap that is going to gradually brighten, exfoliate, and glow your skin. Is really nice and it's pretty much affordable, so you can use this or you can use any other soap of your choice. It's not much you must use this, okay? So any other soap you can lay your hands on can basically work. This particular one is amazing, that's why I'm just telling you. Now immediately you're done washing your body, the next or second step in this routine is to exfoliate your skin. Now if you're one of those that used to go and exfoliate your body before washing your body, please, you definitely need to stop. You're causing your skin micro tears. You want to be exfoliating your skin immediately after you're done pre-cleansing your skin with your bar soap. And one body scrub I will highly recommend you use in this combo set to achieve that beautiful bright glowing skin is this Arbutin sugar scrub with AHA and BHA. This scrub is going to have your skin looking radiant and glowy when you consistently use it. Please don't over exfoliate your skin. You want to be exfoliating 2 or 3 times weekly. Don't go and be scrubbing every day and say Judy told you to do that. Please, 2 or 3 times weekly is enough, okay? So you could exfoliate on a Monday, skip Tuesday, exfoliate on Wednesday, skip Thursday, Friday, and exfoliate on Saturday, and that is simply it. This is an amazing body scrub, guys. It will get rid of all the dead skin cells on your skin. This is one scrub that is going to help you glow again. See, if that your body lotion have refused to work, just go and buy this body scrub and start exfoliating with it, and you will see that that body lotion that stopped working is going to resume its function on your skin. And if you're someone battling with uneven skin tone, this will help you target that. It's an amazing body scrub. So immediately you're done pre-cleansing, just take a little of this. You can use your hand and take it and rub it all over your body because it contains chemical exfoliants as well. So you don't even need to do too much. But if you're someone that wants to get like extra smooth and soft skin, then ensure you use like your bathing sponge alongside your body scrub. It will go a long way in getting rid of those dead skin cells. Immediately you're done with all of this, the next step in this routine is your second cleanse. And this Dove Rejuvenating Body Wash is something I will highly recommend you use in this routine. Now, here's the trick. You see your Asantee Carrot Soap is going to get rid of all those sweats, all those dirt on your skin. And same is your body scrub. Your body scrub is basically going to strip your skin, get rid of the dead skin cells and all of that. So you will need another body wash, preferably a moisturizing, hydrating body wash to add in back all that moisture that you have lost in your shower immediately after exfoliating your skin. And that is the whole essence of this Dove Rejuvenating Body Wash. This is an amazing body wash, guys. Like, the fragrance alone for me is amazing. It has this fruity nice fragrance, and in as much as it smells nice, it also does an amazing job. It's going to hydrate your skin immediately you're done exfoliating, and it's going to bring in all that moisture and make your skin feel soft, fresh, and smooth immediately after your shower. So go ahead and use this to wash your body all over again. You can decide to pour some amount into your body sponge and then use it to wash your body again, or you can just lather this up in your hand and then use it to just lather all over your body and then rinse it out with the bathing water that you're using. And that is simply it. Now, the next step in this routine is to moisturize, and I'll recommend you use this Advanced Korean Skin Bright and Smooth Body Lotion. And this is the body lotion right here. Guys, this is the secret ingredient in this routine. It is your brightening body lotion. It's going to enhance your skin's glow. It's going to make your skin look all bright, all smooth, all soft and glowy. If you really want that smooth, beautiful skin, you want a lot of people to be complimenting you, just get this body lotion. It is very moisturizing and it has a nice fragrance. If you've been sleeping on this Advanced Korean body lotion, girl, you need to go grab this. It's going to make your skin feel supple, soft, and you're going to smell nice as well. So if you have been battling with a dull looking skin, uneven skin, or maybe your body is not just blending with your face, then go get this. You're going to love it. Now, when you're getting the Advanced Korean, you want to be sure you're buying the original one. So you could use a QR code detector to know if you're getting the fake or the original one. So this is an amazing body lotion that is going to add in back all that softness, all that moisture into your skin. So you want to take your time and apply your body lotion all over your body immediately after shower. You're going to enjoy using this body lotion. Trust me, it's so moisturizing and it's going to brighten, even out your skin and give you that radiant glow. So if you want that supple, soft skin, grab this. You're going to love it. Now, the next step in the skin brightening routine is to seal in moisture. And I highly recommend using this Taravet Treatment Body Oil. You see this body oil right here. This is one oil you should use immediately you're done applying your body lotion. Guys, when you pair this body lotion and body oil together, trust me, your skin will be glowing. Your skin is going to be looking all radiant, all bright, even toned and glowy. You're going to love the results. It's a combo that have been tried and tested. When I come to you guys with our combo, you guys should know that 100% works. This actually works. It's going to brighten, tone up your skin and give you that radiant glow as long as you're consistent with it. So go ahead and use the Taravet body oil to seal in all the moisture you've gotten from your body lotion, and your skin is going to look radiant and glowy. Now, immediately you're done applying your body oil, you want to go ahead and use your sunscreen. And I highly recommend using the SUNCUT Sunscreen. You could use any other sunscreen of your choice as long as it contains SPF 30 and above. This routine right here is going to have your skin popping. When you combine all those products together, your skin will be shining and radiating goodness. A lot of people will be complimenting you and asking you what exactly it is you're using on your skin. For your nighttime routine, you still want to maintain the same product. Use this product both morning and night in your routine and watch how bright and radiant and shiny your glow is going to look. Your glow game is going to be elevated from a 0 to 100 real quick. You're going to enjoy using this product, guys. Just say I told you so. So this is an amazing skincare combo that will have your skin shining. When you use this combo set, your skin is gonna thank you. Let me know which of those products you've tried and if you want a face care routine. If you really enjoyed watching this video, please do not forget to like, Subscribe to my channel for more skincare tips, and catch you guys on my next one. Bye.
So they got fake.